Welcome to Theme Park HD, where we bring you the latest and greatest from the theme parks, special events, experiences in entertainment, and even some sports. Jump in with us today as we bring you the first construction update of March 2025, with some major progress being made since our last update just 2 weeks ago. Let's go! Right out of the blocks here as we preview the ongoing hotel construction, we can see where the 4th floor walls have been installed, as well as the elevated completion to Gabby's Dollhouse on the west wing. Just one more floor to go! As we enter Trolls Land, located on the west side of the theme park, in the red outlines you can see where projects are taking shape for some of the shaded and leafy aesthetic areas. Moving northeast, we see the Trolls Coaster continuing its developmental ride. In the top left corner, we see the seating stands have been installed in the Trolls stage attraction. As we enter Shrek Land, we drive right into the confirmed Shrek Swamp Kart Speedway coming from a video game. As you can see, the start line is the structure, with the speedway taking shape for the cars. Vroom vroom! Last week, Universal revealed that in Puss in Boots Land, a kiddie adoption drive is in full swing with fabulous decorations, games, fun rides, and festive food, as well as areas for a cat nap. Looking at Jurassic World, we see the walls going up for the Jurassic Coaster queue, along with the beginning of the coaster's elevated rises here in this area. What we are learning is there's a lot to be packed into this Jurassic World, full of interactive dinosaur attractions, immersive experiences, and animatronics. More to come, please! Hey, SpongeBob, can I come to your water park? Since our last update, the Minion Waterway concrete work looks to be about completed, as it empties into the aforementioned SpongeBob Water Playground. Next up in this project is to build out of the interior island, along with the advertised peaceful retreat structure that you see on the screen. Hey, who wants to take a float down the Minion Waterway? Jump on and let's float! As we pan south, leaving the water features of Minions and the SpongeBob, we look south into the interior of the hotel, where the 300 rooms will host visiting park families. On the west wing, or right side of your screen, we finally have major progress on Gabby's Dollhouse, which we now know will be a meet and greet experience combined with an immersive retail location. As we look south over the park, the story is coming alive as we see how visitors can explore, imagine, and enjoy adventures while being fully immersed in some of their favorite stories, ones full of curiosity, laughter, and joy. As we take the stage for one final song here in Trolls Land, we thank you for joining us today for our first Universal Kids Resort update of the new month. Stay with us as we continue to bring you regular updates as construction progresses as we march towards the opening in May 2026. Let's go!